Hello, today I'll be using the free version of Claude.ai to help visualize this dataset. It tracks units sold both online and in-store for a furniture shop, along with the revenue each store type generates. The goal is to create a clear visualization in just a few simple steps, so let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to want to do is type Claude.ai into Google. And here it is, let's click on it. Great. Now before we can do anything, we need to change a few settings. So go to your initials, that will be in the bottom left-hand corner. Click and select Feature Preview. Now we need to make sure the analysis tool is on. This is like giving Claude permission to visualize your data. Next, I'm going to paste my prompt into Claude's chat box, and I'm going to attach my data set. So what I've done is I've asked Claude to look at this data set and suggest how to visualize it. I've also asked Claude to explain why it chose each type of chart or design. A prompt like this is great because it already gives us insight into what the data is saying. Claude has given us a line chart which represents our units sold from January 2024 to May 2024, and it's divided those into two lines: mall sales and online sales. And then it's also given us a stacked column chart, which shows the mall revenue and the online revenue per month. This looks pretty good as is, but you might have brand colors that you want to bring in. So let's try that. I'm going to paste my prompt over here. What I want Claude to do is to make the online sales line thicker than the other line and to make all the online sales data red. And there we go. Our line is thicker and our online data is all red. Now you can change how the data is visualized by simply putting in names of colors like red, green, blue. But if you have a specific brand color, you can put in the hex code as well. So let's try that. Now we want to make all the mall sales and mall revenue data this color, and I put in a hex code, which is a kind of blue. And there we go. All of our mall sales data has turned blue and our online sales data is red. Now what we can do is we can download the dataset. If you go to the bottom right hand corner, there's a download icon and that downloads straight to your desktop. Or you can publish this design. There's a publish button. If we click that, we will get a link. We can say publish and copy link. And then this link will be able to be shared to anyone and they can also open it on their desktops. Another thing you can do is you can look at the code behind this dashboard Claude has given to you. So if you go to the top right hand corner, you can click code and you can see everything. If you'd like to copy this over, you can go to the bottom right hand corner and there's a clipboard symbol where you can just click it and it will instantly copy the contents and you can paste that on a blank page. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward getting Claude to visualize your data for you, but there are some cons attached. There is a message limit, so on the free version of Claude, there's a daily limit on the number of messages you can send. It's not 100% clear what this cap is, as it varies based on the type of instructions you submit. Messages with attachments, like the one in this video, generally have a lower limit. There's also an upload limit. So Claude only accepts 5 files per chat, and it only accepts certain file types, like PDFs and CSVs, but this probably isn't a problem for most people. You also might run into some customization challenges. With Claude, you have to be really specific about what you want, as it does misinterpret instructions sometimes. In this video, things went pretty smoothly, but sometimes you do have to make a few more tweaks and changes or be very specific in what you want. And when you have a message limit, this could become an issue because you might not get your point across before your limit is reached. We have tons more resources and a regular newsletter where we share data tips and tricks. You can find those links under this video's caption or on our YouTube profile. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.